Hello Marcus, how you doing? Hope you're doing well. Here is the first part of the beat that you've sent a video for. So I'll just do little clips for each part of the beat and slow it down. So the first part of it, I can remember, I'll play it as it is on the video and then we'll break it down. So first bit. So yeah, that just does that once, doesn't it? Once. That's it. Yeah, so that's it, just the once. So nice and slow. Obviously, this is stretched like 140 BPM, like we spoke about in the in our lesson. So we did some more stretched stuff in that similar tempo. So, the very first intro of it, yes, I go, and then, yeah, so that first bit, I just go, so 1 E and a 2 E and a 1, 2, 1 and 2 and boom. So, 1 and, so nice and slow, 1 and 2 and boom. That's your intro, that very first thing. Which I saw in your video, you've been learning doing these techniques here. So obviously by keeping the pressure at the bottom of the hand, like I saw you do on the drum, and work back on the drum like that. I find to get better results as well, as you move your hand on the skin like that, keep quite a bit of pressure as well, not loads, but quite firm. As you're moving your hand towards your other hand, whilst keeping the pressure on the drum, also just move your hitting hand gradually back to fingertips as you go, like this. So if you notice there, if I move this hand down a bit, by the time I get to about here, I'm using my fingertips. So obviously I'm starting with a normal tone technique, middle of the finger there. So just with that, I'm going like this. With. And then a bit faster. So another thing that I do, that I don't actually do in that video, but I usually use a lot in introductions, is I'll start this with a flam. Like that. Remember, like we said, don't want them too close together, don't want them too far apart. Oh, that actually sounds quite good. You don't want them too far apart like that. So flam, tones, slaps. So for the intro, flam, boom. So ba 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 boom. Just try that as an exercise. Flam. So after you do your flam, you'll then want to move this left hand to the back of the drum to start the process of the muting process. So in the singles, it's flam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you're in. So 7 are clicks, and on the 8th you start your beat. So with the flam, it's 8 hits altogether. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So these are 8th notes like we spoke about in that video. Quick one, quarter notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8th notes, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 16th notes, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and E, and 32 notes, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E. So 8 quarter note, 8 eighth notes with the flam at the start for our intro. Yeah? Right then, so now we start with our beat. So we got first bit. So it's just usually straight. one of them, which I saw you do. But all we're doing with our left arm, we're just going to go really slow. 1 E 2 and a 3. It's like and a 3. It's like that before 3. And 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a. Nice and slow.